Today we're going to replace the drum brake wheel cylinder of this vehicle. First, jack up the vehicle. If your drum brake cover is hard to remove, hit it with a hammer. That will break the rust inside the hub, and the cover will become loose. At the back, there will be two 10mm bolts, one 10mm flare nut, and one 8mm bleeder valve. Remove the upper return spring of the brake drum assembly. In this case, it's better to use a vice grip instead of a regular pliers when holding and removing a return spring. Loosen and remove those two 10mm bolts and the 10mm flare nut. After I loosen those two bolts of the wheel cylinder, I remove the bleeder valve to gain more access to the flare nut. I use a vice grip to loosen the flare nut. The proper tool for this flare nut is a flare wrench. After I loosen it, I just use a regular wrench to unscrew it all the way. This is the replacement part. Brand is FIC, which is made in Japan. You may take note of the parts code for your reference. This is a good alternative to genuine parts. It also comes with a new bleeder valve. Here is a side-by-side comparison. Make sure the dimensions are exactly the same. I will put some synthetic lithium grease into the threads, just to prevent any future rust buildup. Also to the bolts and threads of the flare nut. Put on the new wheel cylinder. Hand tighten the flare nut first, then tighten it with a wrench. Next, put on the bleeder valve and tighten it. Then put back on the two 10mm bolts. Make sure to tighten it snug. After that, align the two brake shoes on the wheel cylinder. Then, you may now put the return spring back on. Put the drum brake cover back on and start bleeding the system. Once finished, return the wheel. The other side has a massive leak. Do the same thing as well. So there you have it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you very much for watching.